Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I thought it would be really fun if I just tried to basically win a game of Fortnite by beating myself and enemy players and then shooting them afterwards. So we're going straight to the Citadel, and I want to do more information about my channel and what I'm playing. Minecraft content, I have no idea what to do yet at this time, so you might not see much of that yet unless it's also. But let me know what you want in the comments down below. Also, letting everybody know, in case you can't tell, skins. My main skin is Wonderful Foundation. I am going to do theories. I have some footage for a theory I'm working on, but I don't know how I want it to be yet. So that's going to be in the works. So, and also just mostly expect videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'll try to get it out as soon as possible. And I might do other videos on every other day too. Can't wait for you all to watch the videos I post, because I am going to make as much content as I can. Okay. Not today. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Yay, finish the quest. This is probably a stupid thing. Woo! Hammer! There's somebody. Get out from me now, boy. Nope, not getting away that easily. Oh, God. Bro, I got door mark. Wait, that helped him? Wait, was he also using a foundation? Yes! Missed the yeet. Damn it. Bro, just let me yeet you. Sure, I'll deal some damage, but stop running. Doing a video here. Running from me, boy. Got him. Yep. Damn it, missed. No! Fifth place! I'm just going to call this video Hammer Time. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Can't wait to see you all in the next one. BB18 Gaming out! Peace!